Here we have 5 tips for you on building a good partnership for the Youth Exchange. Be prepared to face cultural differences. People might often misunderstand each other. Make sure people talk to each other. Explain meaning of words and practices by giving concrete examples. Be ready to be surprised. Your partners may find it strange to involve young people at this stage. Insist on this. This leads to more learning and bigger impact. Remember, it is their exchange, not yours. There are many different realities of youth work. In the northern countries, youth workers might be paid. In the south of Europe, they could be volunteers. Share your understanding among partners and agree a way of working that fits all partners' experiences. Create together a project development timeline that all partners should follow. If people don't keep to it, you might postpone submitting the application. Choose and agree on a means of communication that fits all the partners. Some things are best in writing, but sometimes a call can be way more effective.